morning guys and welcome back to the Writing House. It's your coach Ekamjot Notice and today we're going to focus on the mechanics of notice writing. We're going to go through the complete details and the subtopics. So without wasting any extra time, let's get started. First and foremost, what actually is a notice and how is it any different than notice writing? Is it supposed to be long as a story or a paragraph? Or is it supposed to be compact, short and precise? Comment down below in the question, comment down below, and if you can, ping me right now because I'm going to answer all your questions. So, I've got the key to mastering notice writing and let's get started. First and foremost, what actually is a notice? A notice is a piece of information and a formal means of communication that highlights the conduction of various events, functions and activities. Secondly, it is generally a compact representation of mass announcements and hence has a proper syntax, a format that should be followed to get the most effective and the efficient notice. So, getting into details, we're going to focus on the format of a notice. First and foremost, put the notice inside a box. Put the notice inside a box. This is highly essential as per the standard charters of notice writing. Next up, the name of the institution or the organization. The notice has three major characteristics: the head, the body and the authority. Well, you can substitute the authority with our legs for a better interpretation. So the name of the institution or organization. This can be Sacred Heart Convent International School of Dhyana. Next up, we got to leave a line. Once you've left the line, write the word big and bold, N-O-T-I-C-E, the word notice. Once you've written notice, in the next line, put the date. The date can be written in the British or the American depth. For example, if you want to put it in British, 21st June 2018. Next up, we have the subject of the notice or the heading. The heading should be short, compact and precise, so that the reader can anticipate what actually the notice is about. And here we got the head ending. Next up we have the body. This is our eye catcher and the content matcher. For example, you should have a proper beginning. Not like, hello, hey, hi, how are you doing friend? This is incorrect guys, this is totally incorrect. You listening to me students? You've got to write, this is to apprise all the students or the members of a group, the members of a company trademark. So you've got to have a proper beginning. Next up, what? What defines the actual purpose of writing this notice? So you've got to answer the question, what? Next up, we have time and place, when and why. You've got to answer the question how. You've got to mention the time and the place for adding the extra details to the content. But make sure that you have a substantial difference between the date of issuing the notice and the date of the conduction of an event or activity. Because sometimes, students get those fits and they cannot do it correctly. Just as that guy, Arshit, you're incorrect, dude. Next up, we have the signature, name and designation. So, the name can be replaced by an ABC, but this also depends upon the proposed questions and the recipients for whom the notice is meant for. Next up, we have the designation. The designation in this case can be a head boy or head girl, but this we also change as per the questions. Nice, yippee! First one, to maintain the polite and the formal tone of a notice. Secondly, you've got to use indirect speech and passive voice only. Avoid using active voice, so words like requested, invited, conducted, investigated, etc. should be used. And the use of inverted commas should be eradicated completely. You've got to keep the notice short, compact and precise. So do not beat around the bush, alright? Fourth, you've got to follow the word limit, which is approximately around 50 words, but this may also change as per the proposed questions. And lastly, put the notice inside the square box. That's the golden sentence, guys. Put the notice inside the square box. You get me, students? What are you gonna do? Put the notice inside the square box. Okay, next up, I've got a rap song for you guys that will summarize all the things that we learned today. Did you like it? Did you hate it? Put it down in the comments and leave a like on the video and also tell any improvements, like improvements are always welcome. And suggestions that will make the next installment a better one. Till then, guys, peace. Now, this is a song all about how you can learn notice writing right now. Get a pencil in your hand, a notebook in the other. I swear to God, you'd write better than your mother. First part is to make a box around. Get it tidy like Mr. Brown. Next up, the nature of the notice. Okay, now plug in no dismiss. A notice is written to inform them pretty. Short and precise, describe the activity. Remember the head, body and authority. Get the head, our eye catcher and the content matcher. Begin with the school name or trademark. Recall the capitalization spark. Leave a line and write big bold. NOTICE, boy. Move along that B. Get your date towards the left. Put in British or American diff. Get that heading below the date. Let it describe the notice, mate. Now it's the body. Let the content amplify the event. Make it informative. Convey the details. Inform the time. Notify the venue. Acquaint the event. Put your designation to the bottom left. With that is your authority. Peace.